Who was the treadmill originally invented for in 1818? Olympic athletes. Prison inmates. Lazy cats. Factory workers. Correct answer. Prison inmates. Which famous leader was once attacked by a horde of bunnies? Alexander the Great. Genghis Khan. Napoleon Bonaparte. Julius Caesar. Correct answer. Napoleon Bonaparte. How long did the shortest war in history last? 38 minutes. 2 days. Exactly 1 week. Until tea got cold. Correct answer. 38 minutes.